Good morning. I am here with your Northern Neck real estate market update for Wednesday, May 11th. So every Wednesday, I come at you either here live or if you're watching the replay, and I give you an update, just a quick snapshot of what is going on in the real estate market in Lancaster and Northumberland counties here in Virginia. So we're going to get right to it. Inventory is actually down just a few, and strength of market is up across the board in all price points. So it's kind of huge. All right, so we are down to 90 active listings, and this is residential listings in Lancaster and Northumberland, which are part of the Northern Neck here in Virginia. So we're down to 90 active listings. 86 are pending closing. So our strength of market is 96%, which is up from last week, which was 87%. And it has been hovering in the 80s all week, but we have lost some inventory and gained some pending closing. So our strength of market has increased back up to 96%. So strength of market, what even is that? Well, that is what tells you whether you are in a seller's market or in a buyer's market. So when the strength of market is 55% or higher, it is a seller's market. And that is what we have been hearing for well over a year now. We're in a seller's market. If it's below 55%, it is a buyer's market. There are actually many places, and I know there's some spots in Northern Virginia. I'm not saying entirely Northern Virginia, but I know there's some spots that are actually in buyer's markets now. That is how much the market has slowed. But here in Lancaster and Northumberland, part of the Northern Neck, we are still very much in a seller's market at 96% strength of market. We are down 26% in active listings over this time last year. And the average list price for houses is up 44%. So I have slowly seen that starting to trend down. So we're starting to level out on the price of the market from now to last year, but we're still 44%. So we're almost half above what it was this time last year. If you want to see more of these numbers, hop on over to my website and you can check out the blog. And I have a lot more information. I have average days on market and so forth. So you can hop on over to my website and check that out. But now let's break it down into price points. So every price point from $0 to $1 million plus all have increased in strength of market, but some are still in a buyer's market. So let's dive in. 0 to 200,000. We have 8 active listings on the market, and our strength of market is 313%. So that is like way above the 55%. So most definitely in a seller's market, still in this price point, and it has been consistently so. The average days on market for this price are 41 days, so just a tad over a month. 200 to 400,000, that strength of market is 104%. We have 27 active listings, residential listings in both counties in this price point. And this is the most, this price point has the most active listings out of all the others. So yes, 104% strength of market. So still a seller's market. So both of those are in a seller's market thus far. 400 to 600,000. We have 18 active listings, 12 are pending closing. Our strength of market is 67%, above 55. So it is still a seller's market. Let's see, 600 to 800,000. We have 5 active listings in this price point. That's it. Both counties, there are just 5. So this has been a hot price point, and it still continues to be. So we have 5 active, 9 are pending. Our strength of market is 180%. So that is up over last week. The average days on market for this is about 36 days. So you got roughly a month for homes in this price point to be on the market. 800 to 1 million. We are in a buyer's market for this one at 33% strength of market. So yeah, below that 55, buyer's market. There are 12 active listings in this price point in both counties, and there are only 4 pending closing. 1 million plus in a buyer's market at 40% strength of market. The strength of market has increased over last week, but still under that 55%. We have 20 active listings in this price point and 8 are pending closing. So those are for the residential numbers for this week. Now, land, we have dropped in strength of market for land. We have 508 active listings, which has dropped over last week. So we are coming down in inventory on land, and we are pending closing for 74 listings. So that gives us a strength of market of 15%. Last week it was 17. And that's because we had more inventory, we had more pending closing, and that upped that strength of market. But we're still at 15%, which is more than it has been in the past, especially last year. And when you're looking at this today compared to this time last year, we are down 22% in inventory. This time last year, we had 652 listings on the market. So big difference. We are also up in lot average list price by 16%. Last week it was 19%. So that is kind of starting to level out as well. Those are your numbers this week. Again, if you want to see the replay on this, you can catch it on all of my social media platforms or head over to my website at www.virginiastoughton.com, click blog, and I have all my past market updates there so you can see the video replays. And I have my spreadsheets that I put on there so you can see the numbers in black and white. If you do go over there and you have any questions when looking at these, please let me know. It is super important as a buyer or a seller that you look at these numbers because they are going to help determine what price you either offer or list at. It's very super important to know what the market is doing when you are listing or when you're making an offer. So have these numbers in your pocket so you know. And again, any questions, let me know. Also on my website, I have lots of other good information. So hop on over there and take a look around and let me know what you think. And if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here for all your real estate needs, especially in the Northern Neck. So if you know or hear of anybody this week, this is everyone's task, is to go out, and if you hear of anyone talking about buying or selling in the Northern Neck, let me know. Get me their name and number or drop off my information with them, and I would be happy to help. I want to take super good care of them. But that is the update for this week. So again, questions, let me know. I hope you all have a great week and an even better weekend. I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.